Good morning, Eagles, and welcome to another pre-recorded podcast of ENN News. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021. Well, I figure for one more day at least, you're watching the best elementary news program in NFL land. I hope everybody had a chance to watch the amazing Super Bowl game yesterday and the halftime performance from the weekend. What a fun time. Congrats to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the greatest of all time. Hard to say it as a Broncos Peyton Manning fan, but great job Tom Brady and the Buccaneers. And at FME, we kind of had a mini Super Bowl of our own with our dips. So let's see how the dip-off challenge turned out. First up, before we show the results, I want to show the participants. Wait a minute. Somebody's missing. Got that covered. So thank you so much to Miss Hawkes, to Miss Cabral, Mr. Ryan, Miss Gomez, and Mr. V. Let's see how everything turned out in the voting. So with a clear victory of 40.3%, Mr. Villalba's Buffalo Chicken Dip is the winning dip from our first ever FME Dip-Off Challenge. Thank you everybody for participating. We had a great time and those dips were tasty. Especially number 3. I again want to thank all the teachers and students who participated in recording Flipgrid videos for our counselors. They love them. And as promised, we plan to feature a few of these videos. Check this one out from Miss Portillo's 3rd grade class.
Miss Lane.
Miss Science.
Miss Bean.
Thank you
For all you do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this week is a week for our music and library classes, but as always, we have to make some adjustments. It is impossible to run a perfect schedule. Let's see what is in store for this week. So I have a special note here from Mrs. Villarreal about her classes. She will be out on Friday, and she has moved her Friday classes to Monday because she can't make them up next Monday because of President's Day. We have a holiday next Monday, guys. So all her Friday classes have been scheduled to today. She sent out an email with the details, And she is asking all our Eagles participating in the library this week to please bring your charged device because you're going to be using the music curriculum and you will need your Chromebook for music. My situation is similar for library. I too will be out on Friday, so I'm going to shift my classes to Wednesday and combine them with the other groups. So today I want to remind teachers that during your conference, you are welcome to stop by the library. We have 20,000 books available for checkout. I want to encourage teachers to come on by. I have a special shout out for Ms. De La Cruz, who took several books out for President's Day and for learning lessons that are going on in her classroom. So again, teachers, stop by. During your conference, you're welcome to check out books. Next up, I want to remind teachers that this is calibration week for TALPAS. Teachers should have completed their TALPAS training modules. Make sure you turn your certificates in to Ms. Puentes in the office. But starting on Wednesday, we have our calibration schedule going on. If you have any questions, please let Ms. Gomez know right away. It's root beer float time. Let's see how our attendance looked up through last Thursday. So on Thursday, we maintained above 98%. That chart's looking pretty decent, Eagles. And for Thursday, 4 grade levels hit that 98% mark. Congratulations to Kinder, 1st grade, 3rd grade, and 5th grade. Wow, our chart is tightening up a bit. Looks like 3rd grade is trying to catch 2nd grade. Let's see what happens. We're going to announce Friday's results tomorrow. Perhaps this week we will have a grade level winning the Root Beer Float Challenge. Good luck, Eagles. And remember, 98% is our target, but we want 100%.
Hey, Eagles, how do we fly?
Respectful, responsible,
Safe and kind.
Eagle heart and eagle mind.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We have 5 Eagles celebrating birthdays today. Happy birthday to Adrian Lugo, Jaden Jimenez, Cecilia Luis Anchondo, and happy birthday as well to Nicole Marquez Nunez and Kimberly Salcedo. But wait, there's more. On Friday, we got a little ahead of ourselves and announced Miss Olguin's birthday. It is today. Happy birthday, Miss Olguin. Hope you are enjoying your sweet 16. So this concludes today's pre-recorded podcast of ENN News. Stay tuned tomorrow for Taco Tuesday. We got a great news broadcast set. We're going to talk about our Bluebonnet books and a lot of other great things going on at FME this week. Have a great Monday, everybody. Bye.